Good morning, students. This is Srinivasa Permal. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 6 lines and angles, exercise 6.1. First questions. In the figure, line AB and CD intersect at O. So the intersecting point is this one. And if angle AOC, this one, angle AOC and angle BOE. So this one, angle BOE is equal to 70 degree, and the given option angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. So BOD means this value is equal to 40 degree. Then so find the BOE and reflex angle COE. So first find the relations. The given term angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree, and also the value angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. So if AB and CD intersecting at point O means angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. So the reason is these two angles are vertically opposite angle. So angle AOC also 40 degree. So just replacing the value here. 40 plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Then angle BOE is equal to 70 minus 40 degree equal to 30 degree. So this is also 40 degree and this one is 30 degree. Done. So what we need to find, angle BOE is completed and reflex COE. So what is the reflex COE? So reflex means 360 minus. So reflex angle COE is equal to 360 minus angle COE. So what is the angle COE? We need to find. So this pair is linear pair. That means angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE. These three angles make a linear pair angle. That means equal to 180 degree. Angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree. So the reason is linear pair. Then these two value we already know. So angle COE plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then angle COE equal to 180 minus 70 is 110 degree. But we need to find the reflex of COE. Reflex angle COE is equal to 360 degree minus COE. That means angle value 110 degree. So after value we getting 250 degree is the final answer. Now move for question number 2. So the given figure x, y and mn intersect at origin O, and if angle POY is equal to 90 degree, so this value is equal to 90 degree, and A is to B is 2:3 ratio. We need to find angle C. So consider this is a linear pair. That means angle B plus A plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So because linear pair. So this time is moving to here. B plus A is equal to 90 degree. On the given ratio is given. That means A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. So take a common parameter. X, make a common parameter. Then so A value is 2 times. That means 3x plus 2x is equal to 90 degree. We need to find x. So 5x is equal to 90 degree. X is equal to 90 degree divided by 5. So the value of x is equal to 18 degree. Then, so just replacing the values here. B is 3 times of x. That means 3 times of 18 is equal to 54 degree. Then A value is 2 times of 18. So 36 degree. So just compare angle B and angle YON is a vertically opposite angle. So this angle also 54 degree. We need to find C. So just compare angle C plus angle 54. That means this is also a linear pair. Just adding together. Angle C plus 54 is equal to 180 degree. So this time is moving here. So angle C is equal to 126 degree. That's it. So this value is equal to 126 degree. Then third question. Angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So both are equal. So we fix for a common term. So like x. So this one is x and this is also x. The next we need to prove PQS is equal to PRT. PQS is equal to angle PRT. So this one is we need to prove. First consider this is a linear pair. So angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to 180 degree and PQR value is fixing. So x plus angle PQS is equal to 180 degree. Then angle PQS is equal to 180 degree minus x. So this is a equation 1. The next one. So this term also linear pair. Angle PRQ plus angle PRT is equal to 180 degree. Just consider PRQ is equal to x. Then PRT is equal to 180 degree. Then angle PRT is equal to 180 degree minus x. So this one is angle 2. So just consider. So both are equal. Equation 1 is equal to 2. So angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Hence proved. Thank you.